Happy Saturday. That's what it is. We have this blue line. That's called the 50-day moving average. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the fifth day below that 50-day moving average. We called the buy over here when we had the big, it was on sale. It was time to be an owner. I am telling you now, semiconductors lead bull rallies. They lead bear rallies. Traditionally, September can be a very, very rough month for the semiconductor. Yes, we have NVIDIA coming up this week. So what? I am saying this was the buy when we issued it. This is the sell. Look for more higher volatility in the month of September in this Philadelphia SOX Index. Stay tuned. Get on our managed account program. We'll place the trades and make the money. And yes, we'll see you at the bank.